All right, as baby boomers hit their senior years, their older years, more and more Americans find themselves to struggle independently. They're struggling, you know. Now there are devices to help. Bonnie Resnick-Destruel from Family Care Services is here to show us how they work, and they're all kind of reminder tools, and there's one pill where you put your cups of pills in this big thing, and oh, there it is, right there. And it flies around, it comes down, and helps you, gives you your daily medication.
Wow, okay.
Because I have to take, like I take medication all the time. You know, I take blood pressure medication, I take cholesterol medication, and my happy pill.
And you're happy.
Yeah, for depression. And then, but I have to go through it every day, and I forget.
Yeah.
And so these kinds of things help you remember.
That's a good idea.
So it's a good thing. Plus, as the graying of America continues, and I'm a good, well, I can relate. More people than ever will likely need help living a healthy, independent lifestyle. We'll show you some new devices that are helping make that possible. Do I sound bitter about my gray hair?
Just a little.
Okay. Welcome back to Good Morning Texas. Well, we had some young ladies in there a little while ago, so now let's talk about people my age and older. The elderly population is one of the fastest growing in the country because, you know, the baby boomers. This senior, did you hear that? It beeped. This senior surge, or so-called graying of America, beeped again, is rapidly boosting concerns about health and security. Joining us now in this Family First segment is Bonnie Resnick-Destruel.
That's correct.
I said it right? Yay!
You
She's going to share some of today's monitoring devices with us, and this stuff is really cool. And this thing is beeping. It means it works.
Maybe I'll push that button. We'll see what it has to say.
Okay, that'd be good.
Please turn on your TV to Channel 8 to watch Good Morning Texas.
Oh.
Thank you.
Perfect. I like that. If we could get one of those in every home, we would be very happy. All right, let's go down here and start from here.
For your medication.
Oh, and now it just said it's time for your medication.
As you can see, our machines really do take their job seriously. This particular machine is our medicine dispenser. It dispenses the medicine in a cup. It will get your attention by flashing the light and talking to you. And at a push of a button,
For your insulin.
it'll tell you what you're taking and dispense the medicines. Now, if you don't push the button, Scott, it's going to tattletale. It will call up to 3 live people until it actually reaches a live person to let them know that they have missed their medicines.
Wow, that's amazing.
And you can log on to the internet to have a total dosage of a month to see exactly when your client or patient has taken her medicines.
Isn't that great? That's so for like folks that have parents that are in a different city or a different town, they can just log on to the internet and make sure that their parents are taking their medicine?
Absolutely.
That's phenomenal.
And they can hold up to 8 to 10 tablets per.
And how is it loaded?
It's very easy. We use this, which helps them put in their medicines on a daily basis.
Right.
The machine then talks you through the loading. Each time is programmed through the telephone line, so it can be changed at any time, so their medicines can change.
That's amazing. Who came up with this?
This is called the MD2. I don't know who designed it, but it's a great machine.
It is. And you rent these things.
We do on a month-to-month basis.
Right. And you don't have to have a contract, you know, like you have maybe with cable or a cell phone or something like that.
No.
You can end it at any time.
And we always hold their initial price. How they come on is their price until they don't need it.
Until they don't need it. Wow. Okay, well, let's come down here and let's look at some of the... Oh, you want to get that one first? Sure.
The reason this is beeping, this is if you don't need the medicines dispensed, but you needed them to be reminded,
right,
or appointments, this will ring and let you know.
Time to take your medicines. They are in your refrigerator. Thank you.
You can call in through the telephone, so if it's your mom, you can put down doctor's appointments for her, up to 6 a day, or a regular for medicines and therapy. So it can be changed at any time. And this is the last example, and then it'll be quiet.
It's time to do your physical therapy. When you finish, please call Dr. Jones. Thank you.
That's terrific. And you call, and once again, you can be in a different city, and you'll take care of your folks for you.
Absolutely.
That's tremendous. Okay, what do we have here? Or you have something down there.
Right.
What's that?
This is also a personal emergency response unit, which means at a touch of a button, someone's here in 60 seconds to help you. Now, this is called a fall detector, and this is one of our newest devices. We are the only company out here right now that have it attached to this particular. When you fall, it will signal. At this point, it'll give you 15 seconds to either come on, to get up,
right,
or it'll make the call for you. Now, I just pushed the button because I don't want to fall on deck here.
Right.
But when you fall, it does it automatically.
That is That's amazing. Okay, now let's get to this. This is this the same kind of thing as that?
It is. These are similar. This is the basic unit, which only has one pennant, and at a push of a button, again, it covers 3,000 square feet, 24/7 all time, and a 12-hour battery backup. This is our upgrade, which gives you speakerphones. So if they're watching Good Morning Texas, and the phone rings, they click the button, talk to them, say, I'm busy right now, and hang up the phone.
It's also a speakerphone.
It is.
These things are great. All right, so how can folks at home get these things?
Well, they can call me at 972-668-8242 or visit my website at familycaresrv.com. We are low key, so they can call me as many times and ask as many questions, and we come to their home.
Family Care Services. There's the phone number and the website on the screen. Bonnie, thanks for being with us. I think this is much needed.
Thank you.
Much needed. Thank you. All right, well, we're going to come back here in just a couple of minutes. The Family Care Services, by the way, based in Frisco. I used to live in Frisco.
Oh, great city.
Yeah, it is a great city. Growing fast. For more information about the services, call the phone number that she gave or visit their website at familycaresrv.com.